Hello. So I wanted to show a really awesome new AI agent skill that we made. It's an AI video clipper. So what this does is it takes a YouTube link or video that's long form, so it might be 3 minutes to 10 minutes, maybe even 30 minutes long, and it analyzes the video and then chops it up into what the AI has analyzed as viral clips, and it gives a full report on why it did what it did. So you could just go to my GitHub link that I'm going to post in this post as well, and it's very easy to install. And this is a great way to get started with skills if you're not too familiar. So we're going to be using either Claude Code or Codex, but you could also use this, I believe, in the Claude desktop app as well. But I'd highly recommend using Claude Code or Codex because it just makes it super easy, and there'll be no hiccups because these two tools can do a lot more. So very simply, once you've downloaded the skill, if you're not familiar, you'll see the code here, and then you could just download the zip file. So once you've downloaded that, all you have to do is ask Claude or ChatGPT Codex, install this skill, and then it will download all the necessary dependencies and everything else and make sure it's all ready to go. And how to use it, you just use natural language. So you could just be like, create short clips from this video. You could drop in the video from your computer, or you could also give it a YouTube link. And then you could also ask create 5 viral clips from this video with animated captions. So this also generates captions as well, similar to Opus Clip. So in a nutshell, it analyzes the video, transcribes it, finds viral moments, generates the clips, and then formats it to different platforms. So for me, I like to post on Instagram, TikTok, sometimes YouTube Shorts. So it could take a long form video, no matter what format I filmed it in, and then give me the exact videos to post. So just to visualize the power of AI, but the idea is that we're taking popular tools such as Opus Clip and we're making our own things. So this has been out for quite a while. So just so you understand what this is doing, it's taking in a long form video and then pushing it out into many different formats. So here we are in the Codex app. This is ChatGPT's very own app. So I like to use this because I don't have to be in the terminal, and it's really easy to use skills. So once you have that skill, you can easily just upload it, and then you'll be able to find it. So here's the universal video clipper skill, and then you could read exactly what it's all about. But we're not going to get too into that. We're just going to use it right now. So all I have to do is do a $ and then select the skill. And then I'm going to make a bunch of clips from one of my YouTube videos. So now all I have to do is tell Codex, process this video, and it gets to work. So what the skill is pretty much a packaged super prompt. But on top of that, it's also packaged with Python scripts that run the exact things that are necessary. So as you can see, it's doing a pre-flight check, so it makes sure I have all the necessary other tools, like the technical Python stuff, and then it starts to run it. All right, so you could see the time, 3 minutes and 52 seconds, and everything's all done. So let's check out the results. So it gives you everything in one nice little folder, and it has all, the information and work it did. So let's check out the videos. So you could see it clipped everything up. So now I could easily just repurpose these. Maybe I wanted to have captions. So let's add that real quick. Okay, so now I just wanted to edit the videos to add captions with a black background and orange text. So you could say this at the beginning, or you could say it afterwards to edit, but it only takes a few minutes for it to remake it. So let's see how it turns out. After a few minutes later, it's generated the new videos with the captions. Let's see how they turned out. So there we go. We have our new videos. It's got the captions exactly where I want them. And I had to tinker around to get the placement the captions and the size and everything. So it's pretty much universal how people would like to have them. And every single clip that I need is all formatted and it has the captions. And, just within a few minutes, the skill can really do a lot. So that's just one of many skills that you could use with Claude Code or ChatGPT Codex. There's a lot of other recommended skills that are here, and they really just compact a workflow. Because normally, to do this same exact process might have taken 30 minutes or an hour, and then had to go through tons of bugs. And once again, you could just find this on my GitHub and just download it. If you need any help, just let me know. But once again, this is just showing the true power of AI, um, your own workflows, and then automating all of that. And to take it to the next level, not going to go too deep into this, but once you have something workable, then you could go into the automation area of Codex. So since I like that skill, maybe I could say, hey, Codex, every week, check my newest YouTube videos and then convert them and drop them into a folder. And just like that, you're automating certain aspects of your workflows. Thanks.